I see quite few women that are complaining of shoulder pain, neck pain, mid-back pain, especially after they have to breastfeed their babies very long time and a lot and very often and carry their babies. So I would like you to demonstrate in the beginning and then show you a few tips and tricks how to minimize the back pain. Obviously, there is a lot of strain on a woman of taking care of her child, and sometimes there is not much we can do, that we have to carry the baby. One of the things you maybe might consider is a baby wearing. This is a great tool that can help you to save your hands and save your back, but you need to see a professional qualified baby wearing consultant for that. So most of the women will choose a breastfeeding pillow for breastfeeding the baby. Through my experience, I found that usually one pillow is not enough. Of course, it all depends on your size, on the size of the child, on your breast size. It depends on your frame. First of all, before you even get to the pillow, especially if you feel that this is gonna be a long lunch for your baby, make sure you have a good back support when you lean back. You don't want to slouch over your child. You want to be nice and relaxed, not necessarily sitting too far back, but supported through your back. What I suggest to my new moms is to use actually two pillows. One normal pillow, and then you put the breastfeeding pillow on top. This will bring the child to you the closest possible. So your arms will be really relaxed and the child will be nursing, or if you're bottle feeding, you can nurse the child in this position. Your arm will be relaxed and this will save you a lot of back pain. Remember that in breastfeeding, you never go to your baby. Baby comes closer to you. This is the main trick to avoid the back pain. After we're done with the feeding, or we have a couple of 3 minutes and the baby is asleep, it's always good to move our upper back. Again, we can use a simple chair. Rotational movements are great for the upper back pain. So you can pull yourself into rotation. You might feel and hear a couple of clicks and cracks. Make a deep breath in and breathe out, and then opposite direction. You can use the back of the chair as a hinge that you can arch over and stretch, and you can repeat as many times as you feel you need to. And back. Okay? Also, a simple neck stretches. We often underestimate a very simple side-to-side rotational neck movements. They can be really great for pain relief. Also, I would like you to show a stretch that you might actually use a pillow, again, or a rolled towel. This is a very nice and big and fluffy pillow. With your mid-back, you lay down on it and you roll over it, okay, here. Of course, you can roll over anything. You can roll over the ball, as I said, over folded towel, little movement side to side. You can even release your hands. Everything that opens up your chest and mobilizes your back is great for this purpose. Just, you can be a little bit inventive. Everything that opens you up will do. I hope it helps.